Hello, peeps. Yeah, right here chilling, watching TV. Rainy day. What's up, my peeps? What up, peeps? Yeah, it's raining outside. Sucks. Watching YouTube by myself. Watching Bill Haley talk shit with and coach. Yeah, I like watching this program. I like watching the True Media podcast with Coach Malachi. They do the funniest fuck. Crazy. And entertainment, man. Try for me to do for me to laugh, man. I can watch these motherfuckers all motherfucking day. Take my depression away. I suffer from severe depression, and it's raining. I can't go out, do what I want to do. I mean, I can go out in the goddamn rain. It's not a problem, but I don't want to go out in the rain. For what? Why would I want to go out in the fucking rain? Get soaked? No, it ain't happening. When I can be home nice and toasty, I got food. I mean, I don't eat that much. I think I already ate my limit for the day. I don't think. I know I did. I just got to put whatever food's left away. So I got my headphones, listening to Coach, watching that on the big TV. Let me show you my TV. And anyways, chilling out. Let me show you the rain. Raining out. Nasty day. So, like I said, oh, I'm back here now. Just wanted to show you that it's raining out. So good. Oh, Is that boredom or tiredness? Little bit of both. What boredom? I shouldn't be tired. I've been home a freaking day. I did get up at 5 in the morning though.